Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about overview of Java or basic Java. So Java was discovered by James Gosling for Sun Microsystem in 1996. The earlier Java was known as for Oak. Oak was the Java's first name, and later on it is named as a Java. So basically Java is a high level programming language, and it is completely based on object oriented programming language. That is, it is related to real world, like just like a real world we create an object, we are object on this earth. So this is a real world thing. So to present that real world entity we use object oriented programming language. And also Java is a programming language as well as a platform because it has its own real runtime environment, which is known as JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Later on we will discuss about a JVM. Now next is features of Java. Okay, so first is simplicity. Java is very easy to use at as it is derived from C. The syntax or logic is same. There's a slightly difference in the syntax in Java. And another feature is object oriented. It is molded around objects rather than the process. So we create an object for the methods or particular things, particular class, and we work on that objects only. Next thing is platform independent. It is platform independent because JVM creates a bytecode, and that bytecode is executable in any other platform. Like if we create a Java file in Windows, and it can be run in a it can be run in a Linux also. Next thing is Java is secure, and another feature is portable. That if once the JVM create a byte code, it can be ported to any other platforms also. So it is portable. And another feature is multi-threading. So we can run a multiple task. Like you have seen that VLC media, which is which in VLC we can execute musics also. Same time timer will be executed. Same time uh, length of video is also, as well as media is also getting changed. So these are the small threads which run simultaneously, and the code is written in a Java. Another now the we will discuss the uses of Java. So we can create Android apps using Java. We can create Java web application. We can create software tools also. It is also used in financial service industries. It is also used in big data technologies, and also used in a scientific applications. So these are the area where we can use a Java language. So it is very useful in everything. Next we have uh, next we have this okay, this is a basically an architecture, like how the things works. So the first we have JDK as a outer shield, and in JDK we have JRE, and in JRE we have JVM plus Java package and runtime libraries. So JDK consists of Java programs plus JRE to run the programs. JDK is Java Development Kit. And then we have JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, which consists JVM and Java package classes, as well as runtime libraries. Like some libraries are used at a runtime, so we can access from this area. And then we have JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine, which loads the code, verifies the code, and execute the code, and provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode is executed. That Java bytecode is created in a form of dot class file, and that dot class file can be carried to any other platform also, and it can be executed in any other platforms also. That's why it is a platform independent. Next, we have memory allocation. So, in memory allocation, what we have is method area. Method area is created when JVM starts. Whenever we load the code, the method area is executed and stores dot class file information and static variables. So here we in method area we you store dot class file and static variables. In stack area we stores the current running method local variables, and method completed entry from stack is removed. Once the method is running, it will store in a stack area, and the method is completed, whole method is executed, and you come out from that method, it will removed from the stack area. In heap area we stores object, instance variable and arrays. So instance variable, and we will discuss later on what are instance variable, and objects also, and arrays. So next is PC register. It stores address of next executing instruction. So suppose there is a already decided that after this statement has to be executed, so that in PC register we stores that next executing instruction. Next is native method area. All the native method calls invoked by the thread will be stored in a corresponding native method stack. So all native method, uh, whenever we create a thread, it will invoke and will store in the corresponding method native method stack. So here we store the thread. Next we have Java bytecode. Java bytecode is nothing but a class machine code in a form of dot class file, and which is used to uh, achieve platform independence in Java. So this bytecode so this Java bytecode is carried from one platform to another. Suppose I have created one Java, write a Java machine code in a Windows, and then I want to run in a Mac. So what we can do is just convert this machine code in a dot class form and port it to the Mac operating system, and then execute it. It is very easy to do that. Next we have Java syntax. So this is a sample program printing hi. The output of this program is hi. Okay. So what all the things says that this is a keyword class, and this is a class name ABC. ABC class name should always start from a capital letter. Then we have public, which is a access modifier. Static is a keyword. Void is a return type. Main is a method name. And then we have string as a class. Object and strings are the classes. And this arg is a array name. They store the arguments in the form of array. And then we have system as a class, out as a static variable, println is a method, and then we have in that method we pass the arguments, that is hi, and it will print that as the output. So this is a Java syntax which is already defined here. Sometimes in interview they ask this question that explain public static void main method. So what you have to tell that each and every word has their own definition. So describe the definition. So this can be asked in a interview. Yeah. So I guess this is the overview of Java. Now we will see the next uh, session. If you have any query, You can ask. Thank you.